Hello everyone, welcome to Love Story with Technology. In today's video, we are going to see how to install primary domain controller. In primary domain controller, we are going to install the Active Directory role, Active Directory users and computers, and the DNS role. So we are creating this video content by our one of our viewer request. So without wasting time, we are moving to the server manager. This is our server. We install the Windows Server 2022 data center on my virtual machine, Azure virtual machine. You can use on your on-premises server as well. You can see the Windows Server 2016 RAM 16 GB and is a fresh formatted system. So we are going to start. So first we need to go to the server manager, then add roles, click next. Here you need to select role based or feature based installation. Click next. Here is automatically your server name and IP is displayed with the operating system version. Click next. Here you need to select the role. Here is a multiple roles. Now we are going to install a DNS role and the continue Active Directory role. So this one Active Directory domain services. In our upcoming video, you can see the all of these roles, why we need to use this role, uh, what are the challenges while using this, what is the benefits to using these all the roles. So we are moving forward in our upcoming video. We are going to explain everything. Today we are going to install the DNS and Active Directory. Next, move to next, 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 and if required we need to restart. So tick on this, click yes, then install. It takes some minutes to install. Here you can see installation is going on. Installation is completed. Now we need to close this window. So we must have to restart first. So I'm going to restart. You can see our server is started successfully. Here you can see the ADDS and DNS role is installed. Now we need to click here on alert. Then need to promote this system as a domain controller. We are doing the fresh installation and creating the fresh environment, so I am going to prefer add new for first. These all are the different things, like add a domain controller to an existing domain. If you are already having the another domain controller, you can add the new domain to that existing domain controller, like you can use for RODC. For more detailed understanding, we are again preparing the multiple video, and in upcoming days you also got that video as well, so we can more understanding and deep for these three. Here is the second option, add a new domain controller to an existing forest. You have existing AD forest, you can use this one, but we are creating the add new forest. I am put here test.local. You have to enter your domain name. Then in this window, you can see the forest function level and domain function level. Forest function level is used for the your domain controller communicate with the which OS lower version. So if you are older 2008 server in your premises and you wish to communicate this domain controller with that, you can select this one. So you have a choice. So I prefer the 2016 because this is our new domain controller and we don't have any domain controller. So I prefer 2016. If you have another domain controller in your environment, you can choose as per your requirement, and same for the domain function level. More detailed understanding you can see in upcoming video. Enter the DSRM password. DSRM password help you to restore the Active Directory. If your Active Directory server is get crashed, then DSRM will help you to recover your Active Directory using DSRM. You just simply need to restart your Active Directory server in DSRM mode, and you can, using Windows Server backup, you can recover your Active Directory. Sorry, restore your Active Directory. This that video also in you can see in upcoming days on Love Story Technology YouTube channel. Move to the next. Oh, don't want to create any delegation right now. Don't have any delegation. Yeah, you can see the mistakes automatically the NetBIOS name, test or domain name. Move to the next step. You can see the specific location where Active Directory database log files and sysvol is stored, because it's carry the Active Directory database in NTDS folder, log file in NTDS, and sysvol. So here is a path in C Windows. Move to the next, install. Now we need to sign out and sign in with domain controller, because our domain controller is successfully installed. A server is getting started after domain controller is successfully installed. Here you can see after domain control successfully installed, we are successfully logged in. Now we need to go to the tools, and here you can see Active Directory is here, then DNS. You can see the Active Directory users and computers. You can see the Active Directory successfully installed, the test.local. Now you can create a users, like right click, new user, enter the user first name, last name, and login ID. So you can put same like yeah, username, first name, and last name, but I am using different one. And your domain, you can see it is .local. Next, and I'm putting password here. Next, finish. You have successfully create a user. Like same, you can create the groups. cells, domain local, because this is a local domain. Click OK. You can see, and you can add this user to this group. Like, you just need to go to the group members, add. You just need to enter the Yatish login ID. You can see, click OK, apply, OK. Now whatever the policy applied to this group, it's automatically applied to the users. So in upcoming video you can see how to set up the OU users group inside the Active Directory, how to apply the group policy to particular OU, and much more. So thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for next tech video. Thank you so much. Thanks.